Welcome students. Today's topic is nitric acid. Formula is HNO3. It is also a very important part of nitrogen family of P block elements. Its property makes it very important. The properties are basically nitric acid pure form is colorless, but generally it becomes light yellow in color due to presence of nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide is formed as a oxidation, and it is present in HNO3 as impurity. This NO2 is the reason for its change in color. Second property is also very important. It is miscible with water and it forms a constant boiling mixture. This constant boiling mixture is called azeotropic mixture. This means आप नाइट्रिक एसिड के सोल्यूशन को नाइट्रिक एसिड प्लस वाटर में कितना भी गर्म कर लीजिए, द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ HNO3 विल नेवर रेज फ्रॉम 68%. इट विल ऑलवेज बी 68%. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कांस्टेंट बॉइलिंग मिक्सचर. देखिए, आप यदि किसी वाटर में कुछ सॉल्यूट ऐड करेंगे, बॉयल करेंगे, द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूट विल रेज. But if the solute is here HNO3, it will not raise, it will remain only 68%. Due to this reason 68% से ज़्यादा डाइल्यूट आप बॉइलिंग के थ्रू HNO3 नहीं बना सकते. And its properties also makes it important. Other than this, some reactions also. Reaction with metal. Metals are here copper, zinc, lead, silver, mercury, or can be anything. Now how to remember this? See here, concentration of HNO3 gives different products with same metal. Now how to remember? When concentrated HNO3 is reacted with metal, it gives you NO2 plus water molecule. This water molecule will be equal to half number of HNO3 molecule. The same with dilute HNO3, it will give you NO plus H2O, which will be equal to half number of HNO3. Then very dilute HNO3, it will give you N2O and water molecule, which will be again equal to half number of HNO3. Now what are the reactions? Now suppose we have taken here copper plus 4 HNO3, it gives us, हम सबसे पहले क्या निकालेंगे? NO2, because it is concentrated form. First of all we will remove NO2 plus H2O. कितना H2O निकालेंगे? Half of HNO3. Half of HNO3, 4 HNO3, this means 2. Now valency of copper is 2 plus. तो कितना NO3 लेगा ये? इट विल टेक CuNO3 twice. So this is your reaction of concentrated HNO3 with metal. Now we are reacting copper with dilute HNO3. Dilute HNO3. Now what it will give you? See, dilute HNO3 gives NO plus H2O. How much H2O? 8 HNO3. So it will give you half molecule. So it will be giving you 4. Now what is remaining? Again valency of Cu is 2 plus. Here it is NO3 is 1. So it will give you Cu NO3 twice. On balancing it, this is 3. On balancing, this is your. Now if the same copper, when is reacted with very dilute HNO3, it will give you what? It will give you NO2 NO2 plus H2O. And how much H2O? 10. This means 5. Now what will be here? Cu NO3 twice, because the valency of Cu is 2 plus 4 Cu, therefore 4 Cu. So hence these are the reactions with concentrated, dilute and very dilute. Now reaction with non-metal. Reaction with non-metal. Non-metals can be your carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, iodine, or can be any. Now what is the trick here, or how to remember? The number of valence electron of non-metal will be equal to the number of HNO3 used, and it will be equal to the number of NO2 released. Keep this thing in mind. Now let's take some examples. Suppose first example we have taken as carbon. Valency of how many valence electrons are there? 4. So how many 4 HNO3 will be used? 4 HNO3 will be used. Now what it will be giving to you? NO2. और कितना NO2 देंगे आपका? जितना आपने यूज़ किया है. Now it will be equal to your NO2 plus H2O. How much H2O? It is 4 here, so it will be your 2. What is remaining? It is your CO2. Because this is gas, so up-headed arrow. Another equation, another reaction, sulfur plus HNO3. Valence electron is 6. So we will take here 6 HNO3. How many NO2 will be released here? How many NO2? 6. 6 NO2 will be released here, plus H2O. Now plus what is remaining here? Sulfur on reaction with HNO3 gives you H2SO4. Now if we are taking phosphorus plus HNO3, valency of valence electrons is 5. So you will be taking here as 5 HNO3. How many NO2 you will be releasing? 5 NO2 plus here 6. Here is 6 H. So 2 water molecules we will be taking here. Here we are having 5 HNO3. 5 NO2 we have released here. So we will be taking here H2O plus. When phosphorus reacts with nitric acid, it gives you H3PO4. Thank you for watching this video.